this deviated Rajkumar. In this again to actually see see our condition statements using shell script. See how to use this condition statement as an example if else or any other condition statement, right? And if else so many times if else if else otherwise lateral if else which includes another condition statement like elif. You're going to see how this condition statement is executed in using shell script in this code coordinator area. And as I explained this is the this alternative operators are there used in this Unix and Linux languages, command. It is actually easier than this let's see they used for addition, subtraction, simple arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and one modulo included. And non-regular is something other divided operator. And here are the logical operators. As explained, the logical operators includes and logical operator or logical operator, and includes these three logical operations. This is actually the expression sorted, and this is the negation. And negation is nothing more than actually check a condition is true or false. It's a negation operator. And if the condition is true, then a line of code included within that logical operator being executed. If the condition is false, that logical expression and code is generated within that logical operator won't be executed at all. Like a equal statement. Like a equal statement, and these are relation of data explained in the earlier video. And data is in relation to variables. And string operator is not the data string values. You use it like this, and here these are switch statements that exist in the earlier experiments. Looping statement. How to use the while loop? We saw that until loop. Until loop was the same way to use it, just like the while loop. And we know how to use the for loop, right? For loop in the condition, and here in this here. This near Unix commands here do after the small loop. In simple language like basic language. Like a C language, after for loop is usually generate curly brace, right? But here we have to give do, and echoes the thing in other is output statement in Unix command, and done is actually nothing more. Inside this loop we are giving this output statement. It's like do like a opening brace, and done is like a closing brace for this for loop. After each and every time we actually executed how many based on the value of the stereo I, given that you can consider conditions included within the the for loop. That will based on the condition, and that the condition is satisfies. It will actually run this real logical instruction. And here is the first question. Nothing more than actually create a creation of process, find the ID of a process, And after the process, actually, you get the creation of the process successfully. Yes, screenshot of it. I actually add the code in this area file. Add in this area the code. I actually compile the code. After compile the code, this that's ID number printed, and this is actually nothing but status of the creation of the process ID created, the time that is created, or actually this one. And this is actually the code for finding the largest of three numbers. Right, it's extremely easy. It's a very basic program operation. Uh, the very basic program operation. I think one actually finding the largest of three numbers. You have to actually give three numbers as the input variable values. Which is a value we hold by separate variable. Now, what we are doing is this among three we have to compare, right? Now this area includes comparison. For that only purpose, what we are using is an AND operator, because each and every time you have to compare. For example, one variable value you are given, second I am giving. So first and second you have to compare, right? If first and second is actually the value among the three, we have to actually one number should be high, and that larger value should alone be printed, right? So what you have to do first, that number should be compared with the second number, and if that number is larger, first number, the then the first number is larger than the second number, that number should be compared with another particular number. Right. Now, if that also actually larger than the number. So the first number given is the largest of all the numbers. So whatever the numbers you using this analogical operator here and here. If it's actually greater, if I compare between the two, if it's greater, different A is greater. First input is greater. If it's not, if the second number given is the largest, so what you have to do for already first number is compared to both the numbers, right? If the second number is the largest, you need to, it is already compared to this number. For example, the number actually giving is smaller than this, smaller, but it is a little bit larger. So it's already compared, so there's no need of further comparison. But this number, second number, is now compared to the third number, right? So what actually you need to do, second number need to compare to the third number. The number. If that's the case, so we have to print this largest. If both are not largest, right? Both numbers are already being compared to the third number already. Both this number is compared to this number. This comparison number to this number is also compared to this number. If this not larger in any way at all, it's not larger, then what you have to do? Then automatically, logically, this third number will be the largest of all, which is actually printed here as this, and then this program is the upper screenshot one. 3, 4, 5. First number is compared to this is largest, right? So this number, first number is not larger than this one, so it will actually terminate that particular execution. So second, this is not larger than one. This number is larger than this one, but this number is not larger than this one. This number, so automatically this number should be the largest of all. And third question is nothing more than we have to read a progress report. For example, you all know a progress report card, right? It will include the student name, name, the register number, the date of birth, the grade, right? Grade, score, based on the marks. So for that, what you have to say, given this written this will be coded it, and output as seen display. Output will be displayed, and it displayed like this. Okay, date of birth right now. So this is how the output will be displayed, right?